Hi guys, this is Quarentime with Caitlin. I'm going to tackle my kitchen. It could use some organization. So I ordered on the internets, I'll show you some of these guys. These are boxes for organization. And then I bought a bunch of these guys, and you'll see it's because I have the weirdest kitchen I've ever seen. It doesn't have any drawers. It has like open shelves, which might sound cool to some people, but it's not like what you're thinking. So I'm going to show you. I also live in a 300 square foot studio apartment in New York, so keep that in mind too. Here we go. I am not an expert in anything here. I'm just passing the quarantine, as much of you also are, and I'm just really loving the lighting in my kitchen right now. So the first step I've noticed a lot of the cleaning YouTube community do is take everything out. This has been making me shudder and cringe, but here it goes. So that is a cord to my dishwasher because, like I said, I'm not. So that is stuff that needs to get organized and put away. This is what I was talking about. So yeah, no drawers, so that's how I can keep my silverware. That's a bike because, as you know, I don't have like any type of garage. It's just tons of stuff, and I used to have baskets like this, but then my brother-in-law was like, you can't see anything, and I wouldn't know what I had, and then he was kind of right, so I kind of needed a negotiation because now I can see some of the stuff, but once it gets past like this, like I can't see all the stuff in like the third row back there. And it's a pain in the neck and things fall on the floor. It's just a frustrating place to try and cook, so I don't cook as much as I used to. So this is what we're working with. I already, hang on, there's some more, a bunch of stuff up there. I started organizing up there. So this is like the prototype. There's a lot more kitchen stuff here. I have all of my pots and pans right in there, and then I also have some stuff over here. It's just, there's stuff everywhere because it can't all fit where it's supposed to go. Some of the stuff is actually going to get trashed, but obviously because those just got delivered, that's how it's going to be. So, shall we? So I did this first shelf as like a tester shelf to make sure they fit, and they do, so let's get to it. I like to kind of organize this as it goes, and just kind of organizing things, like that's tea, so all the tea can go together. Obviously that needs to be better situated, but we will get there. Okay, so dry goods. What is in this? These are things I didn't even know I had, so that's cool. I don't even know what they all are, so we'll get to that, but they seem like dry goods, so they'll go over here. These are little like cookies. Another box of tea. I really like tea. More hot cocoa. More tea. Up, yep. More tea. get there. That is what quarantine is for. Quarentime is for. Well, it's for not spreading a deadly virus, but I have made it for making myself better in quarantine. So phase one of this kitchen cleanup is underway. We still have all of this to deal with. And don't forget the screaming sound that is under my sink. decided to unbox all of the tea since the boxes were what was taking up so much space, and just put the individual tea bags into the wire basket, and it freed up 2 whole shelves. And not gonna lie, I am shook. Backup brands of tea for when I run out of my favorites are going to be stacked neatly underneath. Looking for something, you can see the whole shelf. So, great thing that I'm doing this. If you can't tell by the angle, I finally found my selfie stick. I was looking for this like a few weeks ago and was very sad that I couldn't find it. Long story there, but it has been found. It was in the box with the New Year's Eve stuff because we had a New Year's Eve party and we just put the selfie stick there for the photo booth. And someone just accidentally drunkenly threw it in decorations. This is why you clean, folks. And so I got all of the decor that I told you about in this box from my parties. And then this is going to be like all the party stuff. you do, I found these perfect little place cards that I'm going to use these little tiny binder clips to clip onto my wire baskets. And so I am going to write some names on these of everything I have in the baskets. We are back. Today's the next day, as you can tell by the different hair and shirt. And I'm gonna do a reveal. I'm so excited. This was probably one of the most satisfying quarantine projects that I have decided to take on so far, and I'm really excited to share it with you. Thank you guys for hanging in here and watching me go through this journey. Please like and subscribe and let me know if you're interested in seeing the rest of the kitchen transformation. I'm gonna post it anyway, but it helps me when you comment. Thanks, bye.